Hi guys, I have a tip for you today. Let's say you stamp an image and you want it to be nice and glossy because you want to heat emboss it. But let's say you don't have the color. In other words, I just use clear white, gold, and silver. That's it. I don't have any other embossing colors. I did before, but I sold them. It's so much bulk. I had way too many. So I'm going to show you a trick. Let's say, and I'm sorry about the glare here. It's late at night and I got this little light on. So let's say I want to stamp this little flower, right? And let's say I want it to have a glossy look. But again, I don't have any. Let's say I want to stamp it in this color, which is peach Bellini. But I want it shiny, like an heat embossed look. I'm going to show you a tip. You can get that look still. So I got my Misty here. All right, let me put this in here. I got my Misty. I'm going to ink this really well on this side. Now, peach Bellini is a light color, so I might have to do this a few times to get a good impression. It's the first stamp too, so I might have to do it a few times. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it one more time. Okay, so I'm gonna do it twice. Okay. So we have this flower, and you know, I want it shiny. Okay, it's dull, whatever. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now to fix this problem is I am going to then stamp it with clear embossing powder, and it's gonna make that shiny. Let me just get, hold on, let me wipe my stamp off, and then I'll show you the next step. All right, so now I'm gonna get my Versamark ink, and I'm gonna stamp over the image. Okay. Okay. Oh, I didn't really want to close that. I want to clean that first. I'm crazy like that. Okay. And what I should have did was I should have went over it first with some powder, but that's okay. This is just to show you. So I'm going to get my clear embossing powder. Make sure it's clear, not white. All right, just go over it. All right, and now we're just going to heat set it, and you'll have a nice shiny image like it was peach Bellini embossing powder, but really it was clear. And there, your image is glossy. See? And you didn't need to get peach Bellini embossing powder. You don't have to spend all your money on all these different colors. Just put clear over any color you want, and then you got the shiny embossed finish. So that was the tip for today. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.